Okay, let's look at the square. This is a tri-square. It's the most basic square there is really in the woodworker's kit. They come in different sizes. The shape doesn't change too much. Generally is a hardwood stock, often faced with brass with a steel blade, 90 degrees. It's vital in the woodworking business to make square cuts when we're making furniture or doors, that type of thing, when you want to end up with a perfectly rectangular or a perfectly square item. So it's a great thing to square. When we're on site, often we need a bit more flexibility or versatility, and this type of square here, known as a combination square, will offer that. It enables you, as well as providing the square feature, it's got a 45-degree capability, as well as a capacity for enabling the user to employ it as a sort of gauge in a manner not dissimilar to that. It's also got a little spirit level in it, so you can use it to see plumb, which is a true vertical. All in all, it's a very good square. This is probably my favourite type of square, the combination, purely because it is so adaptable to different circumstances that you sort of thing you encounter on site all the time. This is more of a workshop square really, when we're making joints, frames, that sort of thing. So it's a great thing, a square, and very useful indeed. One other square that might come in handy, I think, if you were putting a kit together, would be a little dinky one like this. This is an all steel construction, and this is what's known as an engineer's square, and its primary function outside the world of engineering, that is in the workshop, would be checking how square blades are in saws, that sort of thing, and close-up fine work. So it's a useful little tool to have around. So if you were to get 3 squares, these would probably be my choices: the engineer's square, a tri-square, and combination square. Okay.